This is Heidi, and she is sewing and making an apron. How does it feel to be able to use a sewing machine, Heidi?
It's definitely a challenge, but very empowering. I would love to get a sewing machine someday for myself.
Yeah, she can talk and answer questions and sew at the same time.
Ah, man, she's a multitasker for real.
Now, before you go too far, check behind where you've gone and make sure you're catching all the way. You need to do it as well. Make sure you're catching that folded over edge.
Let's see.
It's puckering it a bit when you pull that. Yeah, that's okay. That doesn't matter.
All right.
Yep, you're catching it. That's good. Good. You catch it. You're doing fine.
It was just on a little bit of an outside. There we go.
Man, that is so cool, Heidi.
It's hard when I'm doing this because the needle is so close.
But you're doing it, man.
I put a needle through my finger before and I like to tell the tale. So
Did you
I didn't have to go to the hospital or anything.
No, but just pokes you. Gives
It's
you a little
uncomfortable,
puka.
You get a little blood.
Yeah, just like pricking your...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like when you're giving blood at the doctor. No, I'm fine.